In this chapter, we are going to talk about VMware vSphere and View training from ESXLab. ESXLab focuses on VMware training. That is, we have training offerings that teach you how to use VMware software products. We are a technical training company. Our orientation is on providing detailed technical training to IT professionals. Now, we offer different training solutions for different needs. We offer, for example, full classroom training that training centers can resell. They can put it on their schedule, sell seats into the classes, and we can help training centers run those classes and deliver quality VMware training. We also offer on-site training classes. These would be classes that customers arrange directly through us, where we bring our training to your organization. And we've done that in the past for many organizations, from governments to organizations, companies of all sizes, charities, nonprofits, financial institutions, just a few examples. And we also have solutions for individual self-study, so if you want to learn VMware on your own, we can help you out. Now, we pride ourselves in our easy-to-follow VMware courseware. Our courseware is made up of study guides which explain the concepts, the details, the problems we're solving, and an overview of the mechanics. And then we complement that with lab guides which provide detailed step-by-step instructions on how to install, configure, use, administer, upgrade, and so on VMware software. We have two courseware options. We can provide you with course books in print. But our courseware is thick, so we prefer to provide you with digital content. This is digital PDFs of our courseware specifically for the courses you've bought. And our third format is video on demand. So for those of you who like to actually watch video to get your training, we can help you with that as well. And we complement all of our courseware with very high quality remote hands-on labs that you can rent to actually work through the labs for the courses you're taking. So how can ESXLab help training centers? Well, we can help you run VMware classes, either vSphere or View, right in your own classrooms. We supply you with courseware and labs, and we can help you either develop your own employee instructors or local contractors, or we can refer you to or supply you with experienced contract trainers who will do a great job leading your class. The other way we can help training centers is this. We offer regular online live training. You can see our online live training schedule by visiting our website, www.esxlab.com. If you have customers who need the training that we're offering, just simply call us to book seats in any upcoming training event. We'll hold those seats for you with no obligation so that your customers can attend the class remotely. This is absolutely ideal for your customers who need VMware training now, but you don't have enough of them to schedule a class at your own facility. Now, the nice thing about remote instructor-led training is your students can attend from anywhere. All they need to attend our training is a PC or notebook, a quality internet connection, and they are good to go. What can we do to help organizations ramp up the VMware skill sets of their employees? Well, we can help you by bringing high quality and cost-effective ESXLab VMware training right to your place of business. We can do it a number of different ways. We can send our instructor to your office and provide on-site instructor-led training to your team. Or we can do online live distance training where our instructor teaches your class remotely. We've been doing this for years. It's a highly effective way of delivering training. And if you just have a few people you want to train, we can sell you video on demand training. We have multiple learning paths. And the nice thing about our video on demand training is you can tailor it to meet the training objectives for the technology and features in the vSphere licenses that you actually own. Since VMware has multiple license tiers, it makes sense to get training aligned with your license capabilities. The nice thing about this is your staff can learn at their own pace. They don't need to take time off work. And we also offer remote labs to complement their coursework so that they get not only the conceptual skills and abilities that they need, but they also get the actual hands-on experience of going through the software. What can we do to help individuals improve their skills in VMware? Well, it turns out we have a full range of products and services that are specifically targeted to individual independent learners. The flagship is our video-on-demand VMware courses. Again, we have multiple learning paths, so you can select the learning path that matches your VMware vSphere license tier so that you get training on all the features, capabilities, and functions that you have entitlements to based on the vSphere licenses that you own. This also gives you the option or the ability to train at your own pace, on your own time, from any location you choose. Again, we have full lab on demand ability. What this means is you can rent labs for the classes you're taking that allow you to roll up your sleeves and actually get down and dirty with the software. Sorry, that's a metaphor. What it means is allows you to actually roll up your sleeves and get to work installing, configuring, using, administering, upgrading, and all the other things that administrators need to do to keep their vSphere environment going. We offer labs for all of our ESXLab vSphere training. We have full digital courseware available. What this means is we offer you our courseware in PDF format, and we do not use digital rights management, and I'll have more to say on that a little later on in this chapter. We want to help you succeed. We want to help you build your VMware technical knowledge, your skills, and your experience with VMware software. How do we do that? Well, we provide you with practical training. Our training is grounded in the real world, and we have only one objective: to give you the best training experience in the technology that you choose. We want to help you learn to use the extensive feature set baked into VMware software. So one of the things we see over and over again is people buy VMware licenses and then only use a small fraction of its capability. The more you know about what vSphere can do, the more value you can get from your licenses, the further you can go with your virtualization projects. So for example, we can help you improve your server's resource availability and also get more mileage out of your resources. So let me explain. PC servers, modern PC servers, have a lot of power, a lot of CPU, a lot of memory, a lot of network bandwidth, a lot of storage bandwidth. We can show you how you can optimize your virtualization initiative so that you can take maximum advantage of your PC servers. By getting more use out of an individual PC server, you need to buy fewer PC servers. So that's fewer dollars spent on PC servers, fewer dollars spent on support contracts on PC servers, and so on. We can also show you how to use VMware software to maximize VM availability, so that if, God forbid, something should happen to one of your PC servers, the VMs that are impacted by that event are placed and restarted in just minutes and are available for service in 5 to 10 minutes after a server failure. So you get minimal downtime, maximum service availability, which is a feature of vSphere. So we can help you reduce your capital expenditures. Only buy servers when you absolutely need to by maximizing the resource utilization of your existing servers. And for you, we can show you how to accelerate your technical career. We want you to become your organization's local VMware expert, the go-to person for getting VMware solutions installed, configured, and administered correctly. We make digital courseware available for all of our courses. For us, digital courseware means PDF courseware. So courseware that is usable with any PDF reader like the Adobe Reader, the Foxit Reader, and so on. Unlike most other training companies, we avoid digital rights management. Digital rights management is some kind of digital copy protection that prevents you from using your courseware in a way that works for you. It might limit you on the number of times you can open it, the end date after which you can't open the content anymore, if and how you can print, how many devices you can have it on, and so on. We put no such limitations on our courseware. So what we do instead is we actually watermark our courseware with your name and email address to indicate that this courseware is specifically yours. You can put it on your work computer, your home computer, your tablet, your phone. You can put it on the cloud if you want to save it. But because it's watermarked with your details, we hope that you will respect our copyrights and not share it. Now, our courseware provides all the slides in the course along with detailed slide notes, so you get even more information than you would get if you just watch the video. You can visit our website, which is train.esxlab.com, for more information on our courseware and all of our video-on-demand courses. ESXLab is one of the few VMware training companies that actually provides customers with remote access labs as well as courseware. So what do we offer? Well, we offer a full remote access lab environment. And in that lab environment, you can go through lab exercises for every course we offer. It is imperative that you actually roll up your sleeves and do technology. You can't just watch it, you can't just read about it, you have to do it. So we show you in our lab guide how to apply all of your new VMware vSphere skills. We take you through all the mechanics, and we show you even more along the way with regard to best practices. Okay? We include a practical hands-on lab guide that has labs for each chapter in the course. And each chapter builds on prior chapters so you can see how all the pieces fit together. All you need to access our labs is a PC or notebook and a quality internet connection. We offer flexible rental periods. You can rent our labs for as little as a week or as much as a month. Again, go to train.esxlab.com to get all the details. So who is ESXLab? Well, we've been around for a long time. We were founded in 1988. We've been working with IT infrastructure for more than 20 years. We are highly experienced in Windows, but our primary focus was Linux and networking, going all the way back to the early 1990s when Linux was essentially brand new. So we've been working with Linux in production environments, helping companies remove costly legacy Unix systems in favor of modern, more scalable Linux systems for more than 15 years. We've been active in VMware technology since 2002, and we help our customers use VMware technology to improve their infrastructure, to deploy faster at less cost with higher levels of resource use, higher service availability, and so on and so on. So we've used all of that practical experience that we've gained in the last 13 years of working with VMware to build our courses. So we have practical courses grounded in the real world and very easy to use remote access labs. In other words, we've taken the same knowledge, same experience that we apply to our customers, and we've applied it to build our courseware and labs, and you benefit. We want to be your VMware experts, the company that you go to get your VMware training done. So what's your next step? I'm going to suggest that you contact us. Why? So you can find out more about what we can do for you, about our VMware training courses, our products, our services. There are many ways you can contact us: by email. You can check out our website, www.esxlab.com. If you're interested in video on demand training, go to our training portal where you can register, review courses, buy courses, rent labs, and so on. And of course, if you've got a business opportunity or if you just have questions, we would be happy for you to call us and chat through your needs.